Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about transportation model. In transportation model, we are having three models. One is northwest corner rule, another one is least cost method, and third one is VAM. It means Vogel's approximation method. First, we will discuss about the first method, that is northwest corner rule. So this is the problem. Find the starting solution of the following transportation model. In that matrix, they are given source, destination, supply and demand for each and every cell value. So here we have 3 rows and 3 columns. Each and every row and as well as column value is having an individual supply and demand. So before proceeding this northwest corner rule, we are going to check that the given matrix is balanced or unbalanced. So rule 1 is we are going to check the transportation. The given matrix transportation problem is balanced or unbalanced. So since summation of AI, that is supply, is equal to demand, it means that is summation of AI is equal to summation of BJ. Supply value is equal to demand value, both are equal. It means the given transportation problem is balanced. If it is that summation of AI is equal to summation of BJ, that is supply is not equal to demand value, it means the given transportation problem is unbalanced. First we will discuss about the balanced transportation problem. So how to check the transportation problem is balanced? First add all the supply values. So supply value is 7 plus 12 plus 11. So total is 30. Again add all the demand values. 10 plus 10 plus 10. So total 30. So supply also 30 and demand also 30. So supply equal to demand. The total is equal. Summation of AI also 30 and summation of BJ also 30. So supply and demand both are equal. So the given transportation problem is balanced. Next move on to the second procedure. So in step 2, this is the northwest corner problem. So in step 2, we have to check the northwest corner cell. So in this 3 into 3 matrix, northwest corner cell value is 1. So you have to check the supply value and demand value for that particular northwest corner cell. So here northwest corner cell is 1 and check the supply value. Supply value is 7 and demand value is 10. So select the least value. So which one is the least value? Supply value 7 is the least value. So subtract that least value with supply as well as demand. So supply is 7 minus 7, 7 minus 7 is 0 and demand value is 10 and least supply value is 7. So 10 minus 7 is 3. So here we got 0. So delete that entire row. Again in step 3, we are having only 2 rows and 3 columns. In this step 3, we have 2 rows and 3 columns. Again check the northwest corner cell. So here 0 is the northwest corner cell value. Again check supply value and demand value for that northwest corner cell. Supply value is 12 and demand value is 3. Which one is the least value? Demand value is the least value 3. So subtract the demand value with supply as well as demand. So 12 minus 3 is 9 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So we got 0 in column, so delete that entire column. Again in step 4, we have only 2 rows and 2 columns. So which one is the northwest corner cell in this matrix? 4 only northwest corner cell. Again select supply value and demand value. Check the supply value. Supply value is 9 and demand value is 10. Which one is least value? Supply is least. So 9 minus 9 is 0. As well as you have to subtract that minimum value with demand also. So 10 minus 9 is 1. So here we got 0. So delete that entire row. Now in step 5, we have only 1 row and 2 columns. That is 1, 5. We have only 2 values. So again check the northwest corner cell. One value is the northwest corner value and check the supply value and demand value for that northwest corner cell. Supply value is 11 and demand value is 1. Which one is least? demand value is least. So subtract the demand value with demand as well as supply. So 11 minus 1 is 10 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So here we got 0 in demand. Delete this entire row. And now here we have only one value, that is 5, and here check supply value also 10 and demand value also 10. Now only we have 5, supply and demand both are equal. So 10 minus 10 also 0. Here 10 minus 10 also 0. So delete this column also. In last step 6, we have supply value also 10 and demand value also 10. So 10 minus 10 also 0. Here demand value 10 minus 10 also 0. So that particular cell value 5 got deleted. Now we have to multiply all the northwest corner cell value with the least supply or demand value. So in first step, in step 1, first cell value, northwest cell value is 1 into that least supply value. Supply value is 7. So 1 into 10. Next cell value is 0 and least demand value is 3. So 0 into 3 plus 9 into 4 plus 1 into 1 plus 5 into 10. So the total amount is rupees 94. The initial transportation cost for rupees 94 for this transportation matrix. So source to destination, the initial transportation cost is rupees 94. Thank you.